So the important thing to look at is the fact that what we are looking at is they're asking us about a gain in kinetic energy. What we need to keep in mind is the work energy theorem here that states that work equals the change in kinetic energy. The reason why this is important is because we have a crate sliding a distance d, we have a certain force F applied to it, and so you should recognize that since work equals force times distance, work is going to be an important concept for us. What is also important is the fact that before we had, if this is the horizontal, this was our original force with a certain angle. And now we are going to instead have a force of the same magnitude, but now at a larger angle. So what we need to keep in mind also is the fact that work equals not just the force times the distance, but it equals your force in the direction of your movement times the distance. So that's basically going to be F cosine theta. Now, you can do that mathematically if you want to plug in some numbers, but the best thing to do would be to look at this and say to yourself, okay, I have two different x components of my force. This is my original f of x, and this is my new f of x. If I have a larger f of x, so if f of x increases, that means that my work increases. If f of x decreases, then that means my work has also decreased. If my work decreases, going back to this relationship, my change in kinetic energy has to have decreased as well. What you can see is that our original f of x is much larger than our new f of x. Our new f of x has to be smaller. So this is what we're looking at here. Our new f of x is smaller, the work done is smaller, which means that our kinetic energy has to be smaller as well. So your answer is therefore B.